This is a 1959 Morris Minor. As I said in the first video, this is my 1959 Morris Minor. And this is part 2 of the restoration project of this car. Spoiler alert, it runs now. So I'm going to show you what I did to get it running. I did have a little bit of help with this. Now the first part is, how do you even get a Morris Minor to run? Well, if you are used to driving normal cars, you would normally use the key, but there's no keyhole here. And this is the original lock for it, and it doesn't work there. But it will start without that, because this is a pre-1962 Morris Minor. So it uses that as a switch. This is the switch that we use to do the switch, and it's actually a heater switch. But there's a switch down here for the heater. The previous owner rewired the heater so it goes to this switch, but he left it wired to this switch somehow, so that turns on. And you pull this knob out to start the car. So that's a pretty cool feature. Okay, so this is the original ignition coil for this Morris Minor. That down here is another ignition coil that is wired to it, so this one will work. And it does run now. It's pretty cool. I thought the resistor was bad. The resistor's not bad. I did put some water in the radiator. That's pretty good. Over here is the brand new fuel tank that the guy actually installed in this thing. That's pretty cool. And you do still notice that the hood is not on. That's because the hood is actually over there sitting on the ground, so I could work on this engine. Now I'm going to show you that the car, in fact, does run. Let's open the door.
How did you put that? We're gonna try?
You can't tell if it runs without the battery being connected. So let's do that. As you can see, the car does in fact run, and pretty smoothly. I do need the air cleaner though. So I actually drove it out of the original tent over there, and I got a video of that, and I'll show that. Just to be a warning, I did not take the video on a tripod. This was taken by somebody else, and it's mostly of the ground, so watch out for that.
Okay, first test drive of Morris Minor. Take one.
Battery's not connected. Ignition on. I have to disconnect the battery. Thanks for watching. Figure out how to put the hood back on now.